Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I had so much time to make a BTT BitTorrent update, guys, and of course we will see where we will go right now. Why aren't we going upwards like other altcoins, and of course technical analysis and the price prediction for the short term. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you so much. This is a new channel and of course you can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more and more about the crypto space. I have the link in the description down below. So now what we have done, we have gone to use the Fibonacci retracement from this top to this bottom. The reason is we want to find major resistance levels as we move forward to the upwards. So our next major resistance level, if we go upwards, is the 0.005, and you can see the 0.006, but it is more for the short to mid term. Right now we want to hold the 0.0025, and these are major support and resistance levels. In case Bitcoin crashes, we will go down more, but eventually we need to see something, and we will see it in the price analysis, guys. I will discuss about the Bitcoin against USDT price chart. So right now we are going to the MACD. In the MACD, what I've always told you about is that I want to see the bullish crosses, and of course we need to have higher lows and higher highs. So I don't care about this bearish cross where the blue line will go beyond the orange line, as long as I care about higher lows and higher highs. So eventually we have a bullish recross. I want it to go upwards. I don't want to be this the top, and of course we can't do something like this. I don't want to do something like this, guys. I want it to go and have higher highs, higher lows. That's what we want in the 4-hour frame for BTT against USDT. Okay, that's what you want to see. You want to see a recross here, a bullish recross, and go towards the upwards. Okay, so that's what you want, and especially for BTT against USDT. Let's go now, guys, to BTT against USDT for the commodity channel index. You can see that's the most common here for many altcoins. We had the -100, and therefore we had an oversold situation, the buying opportunity for the 4-hour frame. But what we need is to go towards the upwards. Okay, we are now inside the gray area, this gray zone right here for BTT, guys, and we need to push up a little more. We need to go above. We need to see higher highs and higher lows eventually here for BTT against USDT, as well for the commodity channel index. For the RSI, we need to see having higher lows and higher highs. You can see eventually we don't want to fall down. Furthermore, from here we want to go upwards and break this resistance level at 62 RSI, this price label right here. Let me put a price label, guys, so you can see it. 62, we need to go above the 62 RSI, because the normal area, the purple area, are inside the 30. The lowest point is 30 and the highest is 70 according to standard RSI settings. Okay, so for now, according to the SL channel, we haven't seen a bullish recross here on the green line, and we haven't seen the green line going above the red line. That means, according to the SL channel, we still don't have a buying opportunity for BTT. So let's go to the daily frame, guys. On the daily frame here, we need some important things. First of all, we need a bullish recross here on the MACD. We are so close to see the bullish recross, but we need to see it. Back from 12 April, we have gone all the way downwards. We were close enough here to go upwards on 8th May, but we went downwards again. We now want to see a recross and the further distance between the blue line and the orange line for the MACD. Look how close both of the lines are. We need to see a bullish recross, guys, right, for the BTT against USDT in the daily frame. If we go to the commodity channel index, you can see we were beyond -100 for quite some time right now. This is the most common graph here for many other altcoins, guys, and of course for BTT, and we need to go upwards. We need to see if we can go upwards. Same here, guys, for BTT against USDT in the RSI. We approached the 30, and now we look like we can go even further upwards. If we can go upwards, guys, if we can reduce this declining here momentum for the BTT, you can see here declining, lower highs, lower lows we are seeing back from 4th April, then we will be eventually looking forward to go upwards and to see more of a price action towards new resistance levels for BTT. You can see here when we extend the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we are having a selling opportunity. When we extend the bottom line, we usually have a buying opportunity. However, on a very bearish market, we go along the bottom line. On an impulsive wave, we go up along the top line. You can see here we had our highest 5 April. Till then we drop down even more, declining lower lows and lower highs. You can see all the way from the daily frame. You can see how far up beyond we have gone, but it is not so bad actually, guys. As we go beyond, you want to buy the dip, right? You want to invest some money. Let's see the BTT against Bitcoin. You can see that it is quite underperforming from this high down here, guys. That's a reason that it doesn't go as much upwards as many other altcoins, because the 20-day MA is beyond the 50-day MA still. We haven't seen a bullish cross here for the 20-day EMA, and for the short term, well, we had the commodity analytics being beyond minus 100, but what we need to see also is going upwards. If we just find resistance here and go downwards again, things won't look good for the BTT against Bitcoin, guys, of course. And our next resistance level is this. We need to break above so we can say that we have some momentum going on, and especially we need to make the white line, the 200-day exponential moving average, our support level. We need to make this our support level, and then eventually we can test some higher lows. But I will show you something that I'm concerned a little bit for the daily frame. We saw the daily bearish cross. Well, this is kind of bearish, guys, but also we haven't seen the distance. If we saw something like this, the 20-day MA going like this and the 50-day MA like this, guys, and we had some further distance, then yes, it would look more bearish. But right now we might see a recross here. It is not necessarily that we will keep going beyond, but you can see that it was the first bearish cross after so much time for BTT against Bitcoin, okay, after February 2021. So you can see why I am a little bit worried about that. So we need to see how good we can go against Bitcoin. We will go not to the price analysis, but first we will go to the Bitcoin and on the daily frame. You can see, guys, now on a more macro perspective, I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement from 11th March 2020 to now 15 April, and I wanted to find major support levels, and you can see that one major support level is the 33,000 USDT, and we've managed to close on the daily frame, on the daily basis, guys, above this line here. If we get down, then probably we will be testing 28,000 USDT, around 27 to 28,000 USDT. We go down from here, but let's see more of a short term. For the short term, what we want to see for the Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame, guys, is to go above the 20-day MA, make this as support level. We found the resistance multiple times now here, guys, also, and here we need to make this a support level so we can keep moving forward and have a swing high momentum. Because if you see, guys, the RSI on the 4-hourly frame, we want to keep having now higher lows. We want to keep having higher lows in order to go upwards, and for the daily frame we need to see a momentum like this on the, you can see the top and the bottom trend line, and we need to go upside down. We need to have some momentum towards the upwards for the short term, because Bitcoin, we need to have a swing high in order to see some altcoins going upwards. And if we have this swing high, then yes, BTT can move to 0.005, and why not retest this resistance line. But for now, we need, first of all, BTT against Bitcoin to go a little bit upwards to outperform Bitcoin, and secondly, we need this swing high. If we don't have a swing high and we move towards new support levels, then we will eventually be going down to this area right here. And for BTT, this would mean that, and for many other altcoins, guys, not for BitTorrent as well, this would mean that we'll eventually go down, way more down into new support levels. I think the next support level, guys, will be this line right here. If we crash with Bitcoin 0.001, okay, to 2. So for now, we need to see if we can make a swing high. Eventually now, we might make this swing high, guys. Nothing is over, but we need to make the 20-day MA as our support level. Therefore, we will see that for BTT, we might see a momentum to be going upwards. Okay, we might see a momentum towards the upwards. We have a minor resistance level right here, guys, which is very, very important to cross over this resistance line. However, if we keep having this bottom trend line, guys, then we can eventually push ourselves upwards to this resistance level, and why not break through and go to 0.005. That's for the short term, guys. For the long term, I believe we will be seeing higher highs and higher lows, and eventually this might be a great buying opportunity. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and stay tuned for many more videos, guys. Thank you again. See you soon. Bye.